Happy Monday, everybody. Just back in the warehouse like normal, getting stuff out, getting things taken care of. Already got my buying done this morning. Dropped about 5,000 bucks on a Walgreens sale. Hopefully that holds up and does well. Other than that, today the name of the game is to get this emptied out. Well, damn, it's cold out here today. I'm waiting for my warehouse to warm up a little bit. By the way, happy Tuesday. Back here doing it again. I think when my batteries died on part of a time lapse yesterday, and then me and Becky cranked out a bunch of stuff. I think we're like 400 or 500 units out, so I didn't film much yesterday. Just know that we got all our shelves almost emptied out. Got some returns back there I have to deal with, and then base is what we got in today. My goal is to get all of this out. All of this out. It's gonna go as well. We're gonna get that done. Oh, all right, quick little update. That pallet's empty and gone. We had about a pallet out. I'll try to, I think I took a photo so you'll see that. Our shelves are almost empty. We're almost getting there, which is good. We're making a lot of progress on that. I'm gonna have to, once I unload some stuff out of the flex, got garbage, stuff like that. That return area is almost done. It doesn't look like it, and sometimes doesn't feel like it, but we're making a lot of progress. Just a little update on today. Gonna get back at it tomorrow, and I think we're gonna call it early in here today. Last few days we've been here pretty late, so that's gonna be it for, what is it? For Tuesday. I'll see you guys Wednesday. Good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is in your land. It's Wednesday, January 26th here. Doing things a little different, not in the warehouse this morning. I have a dental appointment to work on a tooth this afternoon. And we got almost everything out of the warehouse yesterday, as you saw. So this morning we're going through and sourcing some things, and I figured I would just kind of do a little time-lapse thing in the office. I actually got through most of my sourcings. There's a bunch of replenishables that I bought, which is fantastic. So now, because S-Corps are due to have their taxes in by February 15th, I'm going through and entering stuff into Inventory Lab. One of the not so fun things of running your own business is taxes. You may be used to actually getting a refund, and when you do your own thing, you end up paying in, always. So yeah, well, almost always. Actually, well, that reminds me, actually, best thing ever, actually got a, from the, you may not be able to see that, but Minnesota Revenue, I overpaid in taxes, so I got $323 back for the business. Woohoo! Okay, anyway, gonna get to work, gotta enter a bunch of stuff in, go to the dentist, and then from there, we're gonna go ahead and probably get back to the warehouse. Well, so this week's been hard to record much of anything. Just been pretty busy. As you can see from previous photos, our warehouse is now getting cleaned out. There's some stuff up front, that's why I came in today, because that pallet was full. Got through a chunk of that. The return pallet was my goal to get through. All but like 2 things are done on there. Most of that's actually cardboard I couldn't fit. So we're in a pretty good spot overall, which is fantastic. I didn't think I would actually get there, but we're getting there. And we're only about 300 bucks off our profit first, which means that we will hit all of our targets, hopefully. Obviously, we still got a couple more days. Today's only, what day is it? I don't even know, Thursday? It's only Thursday. We got 300 bucks to make to be able to hit all of our targets for our profit, for our operating expenses and all that stuff to get paid for. So we're making progress. January is almost over. Valentine's Day tanking hopefully is about done, because that's really ridiculous. All of you that are buying Valentine's Day, I'm sure you feel the pain just like we are. So anyway, I'm rambling. I just want to give an update for Thursday. I'm probably gonna go home. I've been feeling a little under the weather. I just wanted to get a little bit more done in here. I want to help UPS get that stuff out. What's going on, everyone? It's Friday. Happy Friday to y'all. Well, this is obviously a couple weeks later, so that's a little different story, but made a lot of progress in the warehouse this week, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. We'll go and do that, but first I'm going to try to change some things up. I want to actually move this station all the way down over there, because then it streamlines the flow of everything, just going from the back all the way down, and then there's no more needing to work up here to then to go back there to work. You get the idea. Also, as we're working on things on the table here, we have to now run across this to our boxing area versus just being able to go from right here to there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get that moving, assess how bad it is. All right, so we did do the thing, got the warehouse set up and taken care of. Let's take a look at that. And I think that's about it. I'm super pumped to just check that out. That's super awesome. I will talk to you guys next week. If you made it this far, I should say, you like this type of content, if you like that little slow-mo thing I did, feel free to like, subscribe, leave a little comment below what you want to see more of, things done, all that stuff, anything you want me to talk more about, why I said this the way I did for now. I'm more than happy to talk about any of it, but I gotta know what you guys want. So, like I said, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, and I will see you guys next week.